Today we start with lesson 9. It's about the partial quotient algorithm. Let's revise together. What is division? Division is a method of distributing a group into equal parts. For example, if we have 12 divided by 2, we search in table 2, 2 times what to be 12, 2 times 6. So the first number we call the dividend, divisor, and quotient. From the school book we have here an exercise. Write the division problem that match each and area model. Remember to include the quotient and remainder if there is one. Number 1 here, 6 here is a divisor and the first area model is dividend and the next one is quotient. So first, to get the equation for division, let's add the dividend first. So 300 plus 60 plus 18. Then it will be 378 divided by divisor here is 6. And the quotient here we need to collect it. We need to add it. 50 plus 10 plus 3 equals 63. Next one, we have here the divisor 4 and the first area model is a dividend. Let's collect first the dividend and remember we have here a remainder 3. So 5628 plus 3 equals 5631. This is a dividend and then the divisor as we said is 4. So 5631 divided by 4 equals, we have here a quotient, we need to collect it. The quotient equals 1407 and the remainder is 3. Now we have 897 divided by 4. We need to answer it by using partial quotient algorithm. First, 4 here as a divisor is 197 as a dividend. Let's start from 100 place first. So we have here 800. So let's think. 4 times what equals 800 times 200. So we put 200 out and then we put the 800 down to make minus. So after minus equals 97. Now we start from tens place and let's think. 4 times what equals 90? We don't have. So we think about the nearest number. So 4 times 20 equals 80. So we put 20 out and then we take 80 to make minus. So after minus equals 17. Now let's think. 4 times what to be 17? We don't have. So let's think about the nearest number. 4 times 4 equals 16. We put 4 out and then we take 16 and to make minus. So the remainder here equals 1. To get the quotient we make add to the outside numbers. 200 plus 20 plus 4 equals 224 and the remainder equals 1. Now, this story from the school book. The owner of a fruit market has 480 cups. If he wants the cups to the last for 3 months, how many cups should he plan to use each month? So we need to divide it. 480 divided by 3. Divisor is 3, dividend is 480. We start from 100 place first, so we have 400. Let's think 3 times what to be equals 400. We don't have, so we can say 3 times 100 equals 300. I choose the closest to this number, so we put 100 out and we take 300 to make minus equals 180. Now we think 3 times what to be equals 180. So 3 times 60. So we put 60 out and then we take 180 to make minus. So the remainder here equals 0. To get the quotient we add 100 plus 60 equals 160 and the remainder 0. So number 2 we have 7830 divided by 5. We have a dividend and divisor let's start from thousand place. We have a 7,000. So 5 times what equals 7,000? We don't have. So we search about the nearest number. So we can say 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000. So we put 1,000 out and we make minus now. So the minus equals 2,830. So now we need to search about the nearest number. So we can say 5 times 500 equals 2,500. So we make minus now and put 500 out equals 330. Now we search 5 times what to be nearest to 330. 5 times 60 equals 300. So we put 60 out and we put 300 to make minus. After minus equals 30. So now 5 times what to be 30? 5 times 6. So we put 6 out and then we make minus 30. Minus 30 equals 0. The remainder equals 0. To get the quotient, we add all the outsides. So the quotient equals 1566. Number 3, if we have 244 divided by 6. So let's discuss about 6 times what to be equal to 144. So we search about the nearest number to it. So we can say 6 times 40 equal to 140. So we put 40 out and then we take 240 to make minus. So after minus equals 4. The remainder here is 4. So the quotient equals 40 and the remainder is 4. The next one we have 517 divided by 4. Let's start from 100 place 500. So we search 4 times what to be 500. We don't have, so we search about the nearest number. So we can say 4 times 100 equals 400. We take 100 out and then we take 400 to make minus. So equals 117. So we start to search 4 times what to be the nearest for 117. So we can say 4 times 20 equals 80. We put 20 out and then we take 80 and then we make minus. So after minus equals 37. So now 4 times what to be 37? We don't have. So the nearest to it, 4 times 9 equals 36. So we put 9 out and then we take 36 to make minus. So the remainder here equals 1. So the quotient is 129 and the remainder equals 1.